Hey, how's it going? Trevor here, and I've got something for you that is awesome. 40 done-for-you campaigns, all proven to make money, and at around 25 cents each, but it gets even better. We're also going to show you exactly how we made $92,412.82 on autopilot. And then, rather than leave you to crash and burn and leave you to figure this all out on your own, we're going to do all the work for you. Done for you. We're giving you all the right pages to all the right offers, put together in exactly the right way. So don't worry, you literally just copy and paste and that's it. But you may be wondering, is this proven to work? Well, I'll let you be the judge of that when you take a look at the incredible figures that we've generated with these campaigns. And guess what? All of these campaigns, 40, are now all yours to use as you wish. And don't forget, we're not leaving you on your own. We're going to give you a helping hand so that you can get this set up in minutes. Seriously, these campaigns activate instantly once you become a member of our Clone Me program. You know how long it takes to set up most online methods? Not minutes, I can tell you that. More like months. Screw that. You'll have this ready to go in 10 minutes or less. Now here's the cool part. This is so easy, even your grandma can do it. Sorry, Grandma. No website, no experience, no techie stuff, and best of all, no videos. Most online products are too time consuming, too expensive, or they just flat out don't work. You put in all the effort and get nothing to show for it. Here, we're doing it all for you, 100% done for you, and these are proven. So I have to ask, how much would this be worth to you? To have a done for you business with our proven campaigns? $1,000? $500? Think about it. We've done the testing for you. We did the trial and error. These are the winners, proven to make cash on demand. $500 would be a steal, honestly. But how about $300? $100? Okay. How about approximately $11? The price is increasing, but we'll try to keep this as low as possible for the launch week. That's about 25 cents per done for you campaign. You may be wondering, why would we do this? Is this too good to be true? Think about it this way. It costs us nothing to give these to you. We've already created them for our own personal use. And secondly, with a click of a button, you can have them all activated and ready to go. Now be honest with me. Are you tired of buying make money methods that don't actually give you everything, that leave you to do the hard parts on your own, and ultimately leave you nowhere? I hate seeing people put all the work in, follow all the boring steps of some outdated method, and then it doesn't even freaking work, losing both your valuable time and hard-earned money. I hate that crap. Excuse my French. The truth is this. I want you to get results as fast as humanly possible. So let's skip all the time wasting and get you straight to the goods. Our exact campaigns, no wasted time, no complicated techie stuff, no website or hosting needed. We take care of that too. Quite frankly, you don't need to do anything at all. Our exact campaigns ready to activate instantly, proven to generate cash on demand like this. On average, just one of these awesome campaigns makes us $2,310. You're getting not one, not 5, not 8, 40 of them. Let me just say this, it's tremendous value. But you may be wondering, will these campaigns become saturated? No, because there are millions of people interested in making money online. The market is overwhelmingly huge. There's no logical risk of saturation. These campaigns will work as well next week as they do today, period. You may be wondering, how difficult is it to actually set these up? These campaigns activate instantly. How nice will it be to have a method that works in minutes? What can you really get for $11 these days anyway? One Las Vegas martini will cost you over $20, so skip one drink at the bar and get a business done for you. Sound good? The truth is, these are worth way more than just 25 cents each. They're actually worth more than $500 each. You know it and I know it. But to make this a no-brainer for you, we'll even throw in 80 awesome bonuses with your purchase, but only if you buy during the launch week. Folks, I think you realise I'm being more than fair. So if you're still watching this video and you haven't bought yet, ask yourself why. What else do you need? Every win I've had in my life came when I made a decision. Will you regret investing just $11 on your future? Or will you regret doing absolutely nothing and wondering why your life always stays the same? You need these campaigns. We're giving them to you as affordably as we can. Just do it already. And we're giving you a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk on your part. And I cannot promise the cheap entry forever. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you inside Clone Me.
Hey, what's going on, dudes? It's Brennan here, and I just want to welcome and congratulate you to your members area of Smash My Campaigns. Now, I know that out there online, it's like a minefield of different things that are totally bullshit and don't live up to the hype that they deliver you on the sales page. But I want to assure you that Smash My Campaigns is not one of those things, because Smash My Campaigns are the exact campaigns that I use in my business. And on this page, I'm actually going to show you my proof of these campaigns and how much money they're actually generating. So that includes my video, it includes the bonuses, it includes everything in this package, so you have everything that you need for these campaigns. Now, this members area is pretty straightforward, but I'm going to quickly run through what to expect in here, just so we're all on the same page, as well as let you know about training calls that you may be able to get access to depending on when you pick this up. So first of all, if you take a look on the left sidebar of this page, you're going to see that there's a place with case studies. That's just where I'm essentially going to show you the proof of these campaigns so you can see how much money they're generating. And I can give you maybe a little bit of insights in there about why they converted and stuff, so that could actually help you in your marketing. The other thing I'm going to show you in there is how to use the actual campaigns. It's very simple. All you do is take your name and your affiliate link and you put it in this generator, and then it spits you out your campaign page with your affiliate link included, so you get credit for the sale. Also in there, I'm going to show you the anatomy of setting up a new campaign if you wanted to create a campaign like this by yourself. Of course, if you're a lifetime member of Lifetime Campaigns, then you don't have to create any campaigns yourself, because you are going to get campaigns from us on a monthly basis anyways, right? But if you do want to create your own campaigns, there's going to be information on there as well, and some other stuff in there as well. Now, if you missed out on the upgrades, there is a limited amount of time to get the best price on those upgrades, so they are still available to be accessed inside this members area. That might be something you want to look at or not. I don't know. It's up to you. Other than that, we do have a training call that we run when Smash My Campaigns launches around that week. And on this training call, I share with you guys how I'm able to make over $3,000 per day in my business, and basically how I run it almost entirely passively. Now, if that's something you're interested in, it actually is a live call. So it doesn't have a replay, it doesn't have a recording. You need to actually specifically make it on that time. There's also a limited amount of registrants that we're gonna have for it. So make sure that you get on that. Now, if you pick this up after the launch and that live call has already taken place, then just make sure to take a look out for my emails. You're going to get emails from Brennan Mace. Make sure you whitelist those emails, because we run those training calls about once a month. So if you miss it this month, then don't worry, we will have one a month later, and so on and so on. So also occasionally when I send emails, I also let you guys know about future products, what I like about them, what I don't like about them. I make sure to give you guys awesome bonuses. And every once in a while, I also give away free stuff for nothing, just give you free stuff. So make sure that you actually, if you want to receive emails from me, get those freebies, get the product reviews, get all that kind of stuff. Make sure that you whitelist my emails so that we can actually stay in communication. But anyways, guys, congratulations on becoming a member here. Like I said, it's a really great value for your investment, and we look forward to being a part of your journey this year and in years to come in building an online business the right way. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye for now. So I'm making this video on November the 12th, 2018. We released Bang Bang Profits on November the 16th, so this is just 4 days before. I want to show you the results from a couple of these campaigns so that you see that they are actually converting and they do work. You can see that from November 9th to November 12th, with the private reserve, I generated $1,550. Really this last day today, I didn't really generate too much, so most of that money came in just like that 2-day period. And then if we look at my JVZoo account, you can see from October 28th to October 30th, this is another campaign that I ran. And in that period, I generated over $3,000 in commissions. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this is because these campaigns 100% do convert. They are the campaigns that we are personally using to make money. And all you're going to need to do is send traffic to them, and you can generate really big results like we have, okay? Now, you're getting 13 of these done for you campaigns. So, you're going to find a bunch in there that you can use and deploy immediately and start making money with. Your goal or your whole focus at this point is going to be about generating traffic. Now, we did have a couple upgrades that were traffic oriented. So if traffic is something that you're struggling at, we do sell limitless traffic to a limited amount of people. And we do have some traffic strategies as upgrade number 1. You are going to want to pick up either one or both of those upgrades so that you can get traffic to these done for you campaigns. Of course, there are a million different ways to get traffic, so you can figure traffic out on your own. The good old fashioned way is to set up a blog or set up a YouTube channel. But it's probably easier if you just follow the upgrade traffics that we're going to be giving for you there. It's completely optional. You don't have to do that, but it is something that we highly recommend. My business partner is Jono Armstrong. He actually has campaigns that are even bigger than mine when it comes to affiliate promotions. So a lot of his campaign pages are going to be your done for you campaigns here. So you are going to have the top of the top of the line done for you campaigns that are proven to convert and that you can make money with. In the next video, I'm going to show you the anatomy of an affiliate promo so you can see exactly how you make money in this business model by generating traffic to your pages and how you can make the most amount of money, okay? So thanks for watching this video, guys. We'll see you in the next one where I show you the anatomy of a sales promotion.